Okay, tubers, today we're going to show you the volkswood walkaround, including explanation of all controls and everything. So first, we'll introduce you to somebody you probably already know from past videos here, the old Mercury AOK gasifier. I wanted to show people this. This is my blow-off port. Now, it's going to be a little sticky because it's cold. Yeah, but I found out once it's warm it doesn't really matter, but this is like axle grease and it really helps at sealing it. That's my poker slash blow off port. Let's see, condensates. Okay, now here's where we're going to get into this this here. This should come from the other side, it would look better. Okay, disregard the servo for right here because that was a past trip. I'm going to move it. I'm going to move it over here to move my fast dial cam into place for when I'm running wood gas, so that I can have an idle, because Volkswagen's idle through a metering screw and that won't work for wood gas. You've got my fuel mixer right there. And we've made a modification to our distributor to where I can rotate it. I will demonstrate. Hold the camera for a second, Sean. Shoot the distributor. Now shoot the fuel flap. So yeah. That works pretty well. Now I'll show you the controls inside. So, here's our controls. This T handle is for the timing. T, timing. And this one does my fuel. And I put this handle on here to make this more accurate. And I've got an 8-ball shifter I'm going to put on that. You know? And so, all I have left now to put in is the fuel on and off. I think I can use this solenoid on the side of the carburetor to shut off the fuel circuit, and that will work well. And then the only other thing I have left is I want to put a servo on my my air intake for the jet, so that I can shut it off when I turn the car off and no smoke will come out. But as far as everything else, as far it goes, this thing right here, that's where I plug in my blower to get the unit started. And then when it's done, we just plug that sucker back in like that. Set our fuel on and off. And that's about it so far. So it did run once, but the controls were kind of faulty. We upgraded them, so I'm going to do a couple more things and we're going to try and test run it again. Probably not today though, so thank you. Bye. Alright tubers, I wanted to plug this onto the end of that video and show you guys. We've already run this thing for quite a few runs here, and if you look, my fittings are just as clean as the day I bought them in there. And here's another example. Slide this off. Carburetor is still just as clean as the day I bought it. So, yeah, I think our reactor's running pretty good. Yeah, I just wanted to tack that onto the video I just did. Thank you.